What is 0.6% as a fraction in simplest form? Okay, 0.6%. Rewrite this. Percent means 1 over 100. 0.6 times 1 over 100. Now multiply. 0.6 times 1.6 divided by 100. Look, 10, 100, these are power of 10. 10 to the power 1 means 10. 10 to the power 2 means 100. If you want to divide a decimal by power of 10, just move the decimal from right to left, equal to the number of zeros in the power of 10. Here number of zeros 2, so decimal point will move 2 places. 1 place, placeholder 0, 2 place. So we are getting decimal 00, decimal 006. This 0 is placeholder. You can add one more 0 to mean that this is less than 1. Now we need to convert this decimal to fraction. So we need numerator and denominator. For numerator, just keep the decimal, write the number you are getting. And for denominator, for every digit after decimal, you have to write 10. 3 digit, we have to write 310. You can delete these 3 zeros as this 0 don't have any value. Now you need to simplify this fraction. If you divide this 6 by 2, you will get 3. If you divide this 10 by 2, you will get 5. 3 is a prime number, so if you get one prime number, then you can think that your process is done. 1 times 1, 1, add to 0, 5 here, 5 times 100. So 3 over 5 times 1, 5, add to 0. 3 is a prime number because it has only two factor, 1 and 3. Okay. If you get one prime number either in numerator or denominator, then you are done, because the greatest common factor will be just 1 for numerator and denominator, between numerator and denominator. So this is the simplified form or reduced form or